Agentic AI as
Agentic AI.
Agentic AI and
AI agents.
AI agent,
AI agents, Agentic AI, the two buzzwords in the world right now. It feels like everyone on the planet is suddenly throwing these terms around, but what do they actually mean for you? In this video, we're going to cut through the noise and break these down clearly for you. By the end of the video, you won't just know the definitions, you'll understand exactly how they're about to change the way we work. So let's dive in. Agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can act independently to achieve broad goals with little to no human supervision. Unlike standard AI, which waits for a specific prompt to generate a single response, Agentic AI is goal-oriented. You give it an objective like refactor this code base, and it figures out the necessary steps, executes them, corrects them on its own, and uses external tools to get the job done. Let's talk about the key characteristics and autonomy. It doesn't just wait for the next command. Once given a goal, it operates independently until the task is complete. Reasoning and planning. It breaks down complex problems into sequence of smaller manageable subtasks. Then tool use. It can interact with the outside world. It can browse the web, send emails, query databases, or run code to achieve its objective. Reflection and adaptation. If it hits a roadblock, for example, a website is down or code fails to compile, it can think about what went wrong and try a different approach. Let's understand how it works. Agentic AI typically follows a loop, often referred to as a perception action. It perceives, it looks at the goal and the current state of its environment, it reasons and it thinks about what to do next. To book a flight, I first need to find the dates, then check the price, then verify the user's budget. It performs an action such as using a search tool or an API. It observes, it looks at the results of the action, it iterates. If the result is good, it moves to the next step. If it's not, it tries a new strategy. Let's check out some real-world example to understand Agentic AI. Coding agents like Devin, GitHub Copilot, Workspace, you can ask for it to fix the bug in the login page, and the agent reads your files, identifies the errors, writes a fix, runs the test to verify it if it works or not, and submits the code for review. Agentic AI represents a shift from chatting with AI to working with AI, and it transforms the AI from a tool that just talks to a system that can do a lot. Now let's talk about AI agents. AI agents are the specific software programs that demonstrate Agentic AI. If Agentic AI is the concept, the capability to act is with an agent. An AI agent is the actual worker, the software entity that performs the task. So think of standard AI like a basic chatbot as a consultant, and it gives you advice, but you have to go to do the work, right? Think of an AI agent as an employee. If you give it a goal and it goes off and does the work for you, handling these details and the tools itself. Now let's check out the core anatomy of an AI agent. To act independently, an agent needs three main body parts working together: the brain, or the LLM. This is the core model like ChatGPT 5 or Claude. It understands your instruction, plans the steps, and decides which tools to use. The sensors. The agent needs eyes and ears to understand its environment. This could be reading a file, scanning a web page, or listening to a customer support ticket. The tools. These are the capabilities the agent uses to affect the world. Tools can include a web browser, a code compiler, an email client, or a calculator. Let's talk about the types of AI agents. So single task agents are built to do one specific thing very well, like coding agent that can only fix bugs in software. General purpose agents. They can use a variety of tools to handle open-ended tasks like research this company and summarize their last 3 years of financial reports. Multi-agent systems or swarms. A group of specialized agents work together. For example, a manager agent might break down a project and assign tasks to the writer agent and the researcher agent, while effectively acting like a virtual agency. Agentic AI versus AI agents. An AI agent is a software with agency. It is the vessel that turns the reasoning power of an LLM into tangible actions in the real world. While the terms are often used interchangeably in casual conversations, there is a distinct technical difference between the two. The simplest way to think about it is that agentic AI is the concept, while AI agent is the tool. It describes a type of AI system that is designed to be autonomous, proactive, and goal-oriented rather than just reactive, like a standard chatbot. It is the philosophy of building AI that does things, right? Think of agentic AI as a medical science. broad field of study, and think of AI agent as the doctor, specific individual who applies that science and solves the problem. Here's a detailed comparison table for your reference. Well, now it's time for us to wrap up day 5. We hope you have more clarity around agentic AI and AI agents. If you still have any questions, you can shoot them in the comment section down below, and we will be happy to answer them for you. If this video helped you, then please do like and share it. Subscribe to the channel for more content around AI, software testing, and more. See you then.